Hello, I'm Junon Yang, designer of Sketchsoft. We are making a 3D sketch tool for tablets called Feather. Now I'm trying to draw a chair, a very famous one, but just with my memories and imagination. First, I need to figure out the rough proportion and frame of this chair. I drew some lines to explain how it looks like at the side view. This chair is made up with 3 different silhouettes. Each of them represents an iconic chair designed by legendary designers Arne Jacobsen, Eero Saarinen, and Eames. Based on the rough sketch, I'm going to draw more specific curves of them in 3D. These curves will be legs, armrest, or back of the chair with nothing missed. Now we are done with the lines. It's time to end this sketch by filling in the seat and add some small details. This chair's name is Master's Chair, designed by Philip Stark and made by Kartell in Italy. But it's also inspired by the 3 designers who leaded the furniture industry of the 20th century. So I think it'll be much better to make 3 of them with 3 different colors.